Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Skill Forum. In the coming videos I am going to give the whole tutorial of KineMaster application so that you can easily edit your videos in the Android mobile itself. So in this session I am going to explain some of the basic options of KineMaster application. Let's start. So still if you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe my channel and click the bell icon so that you will get my new video updates. Let's start. Welcome to the first session of KineMaster tutorial. Okay, in this session I am going to show you some of the basics options in KineMaster application so that you can edit easily in your Android mobile itself. Okay, let's start. So you just want to download the KineMaster application. If you want to download it, you just go to Play Store and type KineMaster. Okay, you will get it. So once you get it, you just download it and install it. Okay, so I'll just open the KineMaster application. So you will get a free application. So if you want to use a free application, you will get watermark on your screen. If you don't want to get watermark on your screen, you have to purchase as per the standards. Okay, you will get the price list if you click on buy option. Okay, so here you have many options. This is the welcome page of your KineMaster application. So these are the videos which you have created. So here I am going to edit one new video. For that I will just select this plus button. So once you select the plus button, you have three aspect ratios. Okay, this is for landscape, this is for portrait, and this is for square video. So I will just select this 16:9 ratio. So once you select it, once you select it, you will get a media browser option. Here what you can do is you can directly select the video which you want to edit, or else you can just right click here, you click the media button, you can import the video here. Okay, so here I will just select the particular video. I will just select this. Okay, so here we have. Okay, so this is the timeline of your video. So you can zoom in and zoom out for this particular timeline. So here I will show you how to edit this. Suppose if you want to edit the video, if you want to start this video from this particular location, what you can do, you just take the particular timeline into the particular location. You just select the timeline and go to this scissor option, that is for trim and split. So once you click it, so if you click trim to left of playhead, it will trim the left portion of your timeline. If you click right, it will trim to the right side of your timeline. Okay, I will just click this left portion, so it has been trimmed, right? So this is how video has been started wherever you have trimmed, right? Suppose if you want to trim to left, suppose I want a video up to this only, you just take the timeline in the particular location, select the timeline, go to trim option and click this. See, here you have. Okay, so only thing you have got this, right? Suppose if you want to split this video, suppose I want to split this video in this particular location, you just select it, go to split option, it has been splitted here. See there, see how it has been splitted. See, you got the plus icon here. Suppose once you start it, if you want to get the video again, it has to trim up to this here. Go to this, go to trim and trim to left. See here, you can shorten the video. Okay, so this is how you can use a trim option. Alright, suppose here after here we have splitted, right? If you want to give some of the effects here, so you have option called transition, right? So once you click the plus button, you will get a transition effect options. So here you have many transition effects. So based on your requirement, you can select it. If you want more transition effect, you just click on the get more option. So you will get the more transition effects. Okay, so I will show you how to download it. So here if you want to download this particular timeline, this is burn and sketch. So just select it. So once you select it, you just click this download option here. You just download it. Okay, it has been installed. You click this X mark. So here you got this burn and sketch transition effect. You just select it. So once you select it, you just select whichever you want. If you select this, it will show the preview here. See here. So you will get the preview. See how it will work. Okay. So once you click it, suppose if you want this frame zoom option. You just select whichever you want, you will get effect. So this is how you can add transition effects, right? So next I will show you how to zoom or pan your particular video. Suppose I want to zoom this particular video. What you can do is select the timeline. So once you select the timeline, here you have pan and zoom option, this middle button. Okay, so once you select it, so here we have start position, one is end position. So starting position you can set as per your requirement. If you want both up to end it should be in the same position, you just select this equals button, so both will be in the same position only. Or else if you don't want this, so you just switch off it, you select the end position, you can position end here, so you can observe the difference here. See here, once you select it, so this is how you can use pan and zoom option. Alright, so next I will show you. See, we have done with transition effect, right? So next I will show you if you want to add any graphics here. So suppose if you want to add any text here, so what you can do, you have a graphics. Okay, so select the timeline. Here you have graphics, right? Clip graphics. So just click on the clip graphics. So you just select it whichever you want. Okay, so here if you want more graphics here, go to get more here. So once you go to get more, so whichever you want, you just download it, you will get it. Okay, so I'll just select it and just download it. Alright, we have downloaded it. See, here you have. Okay, so once you select it, so if you want to add graphics on your video, you just select it. So and also you can add the text. So I will just select any one here. See here how you are getting. Okay, so you can use this. See here, you can make a timeline of it. So this is how you can see. As of now I will just show you. So I will just make this none. So if you want to add any clip graphics, so suppose I want this title also, so here you just go to, so I will use superscript. If you can add superscript also. If you want to add this pixelated, you can add. If you want CCTV footage, you just select it, you will get like this. See here, text also, you just select it, go to clip graphics. Here you have title. I will just type skill forum. Okay, see here you have got the skill forum text. Okay, you just play it, you will get. This is how you can do it. So if you want still more as per your requirement, you can use it. Suppose if you want to add only the text, so select the particular timeline and go to clip graphics. So here if you want to add only superscripts, you can add it. See here you have many ways. So I will just select this and I will type the text here, skill forum. Okay, so next second one is by Imran Ali. Okay, so I have added two texts here, so you just check it how it will come. Can add a text on your screen, right? Okay, so next we'll see how to increase or decrease the speed of the particular video. Okay, you just select the particular timeline. So what I will do, I will just delete this graphics. So here you just observe. So this is in the normal mode, right? So see here, if you want to increase or decrease the speed, you just go to you just select the timeline and click the speed option. If you want to increase the speed, you can increase the speed here. See here, I have increased it. See here. See how it has been increased. If you want to decrease the speed, so you just select it. You just select any one of the timeline. See, I will just select 0.5 and give right click here. See, you are getting in a slow motion, right? If you want to decrease, you just select it. See, observe here now. So this is how you can increase or decrease the speed of the video, right? Okay, so next we'll see how to make a reverse of this video. Okay, so you just select it, go to reverse option here. So once you click the reverse option, automatically it will be reversed. See here how you are getting. You can reduce the speed of this also. See, if you just reduce it, so you just observe here how you are getting. Alright, okay, so this is how you can increase or decrease the speed, or you can reverse the video. Okay, so next we'll see how to mirror it. So you just go to rotate or mirror option, you can mirror it. See here, if you want to mirror this, you can mirror this. If you want to rotate, you can rotate it. Okay, based on your requirement you can select it, right? So next if you want to adjust the color of this particular video, you just select the timeline. So here you have color filter, right? Select it. If you want as per your requirement, if you want to make it black and white, you can make the black and white. See here, as per your requirement you can do it, right? So this is how you can do it. So next we'll see how to adjust the color of it. So here we have an adjustment. So if you want to increase the brightness, you can increase, you can reduce the contrast or increase the contrast, you can do it. Okay, as per your requirement you can make an adjustment of your color, right? So next, if you want to give some vignette here, select it. You have vignette here, vignette. So if you switch on it, you will get a vignette here. You just observe the blurriness here. Okay, so this is how you can do it. Okay, so next, already I have shown you the transition effect. So these are all some of the basic features so that you can edit your video. Suppose if you want to add a new video to this particular session, or to this particular project, so you just take the timeline to the end and go to media here again. If you go to media again, if you want to add any video, you just go to that and select video. Okay, so here you have got video, right? See here how we have got. So here it has been attached, right? See here. Right. Okay, so if you want to add transition, just press this button. So if you want to give any blink, so this I have downloaded it. So if you want, you just download it as I told you. So you will get. Okay, so this is how you can add the effects between two videos, right? So these are all some of the basics what I have explained you. So in the next session I am going to explain you how to edit the audio in your KineMaster application. Okay, hope you have understood each and everything. If you have any doubts, if you have any feedback, you just comment me in the comment box so that I will clear your doubts. Okay, if you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get updates of my new videos.